with some bonus footage from yesterday. I was having a think last night, and I probably don't actually have to take the back off the machine to get the lock back in. Right, having got that out of the way, let's remove some screws. I'll try not to get as much of my body in the shot as I did yesterday. So, see how we go. There's just 6 screws on the front. Doesn't take very much at all. Once they're out of the way, they're out of the way. Get back here. Right, now the truth. Can we do it? Oh yeah. The front plate tends to get stuck behind there. There we go. Right, and the answer is, ouch bastard. Yes, I should be able to. Okay, I've got something to grab it with now. So hopefully it won't go anywhere, will it? Right, okay. That goes in there like so. We line the top with that. That wiggles into place just like that, and I hold my tongue just so, and we should be able to get these bloody screws in. First one's going in. Where's the other screw? Ah, there it is. Okay. There it comes. Right, when you're screwing into plastic, don't forget, turn it anti-clockwise a little bit, and you'll feel it drop in. You'll hear that little clunk there. Oh, the traffic noise. Just like that. That way the thread's lined up with what's already been cut into the plastic, and you're not going to chew out the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Okay, now our handy dandy little cover. See, it's got the 4 pegs that go into the 4 matching holes. Wiggle it into place. Go on, get it. There we go. Look at that. I've even got my keys. Beautiful. Success! Right, now I just need to button up the front cover and we're done. And there we have it. Much painful screwing around later. See what I did there. Perfectly functional, perfectly working. Job done. Thanks guys, see you next time.